Hello, welcome back to Monday Minute Live, the show where we support you in coping with this hostile environment.
I'm Kip.
And I'm Evan.
And today we're going to tell you why priority is the antidote to urgency.
Ooh, boy, is it ever. I have found this so effective in my life because we are programmed with a mindset of do or die, urgency, you must do this, our expectation of you is this, and the early bird gets the worm, and there's competition, and if you're not the first to apply for that job, you'll be the one in the bread line. That's heavy load to carry. And when we're in that fear mode of, okay, then I gotta, we're paralyzed because we can't think in an expansive way about what we need to do. Like when we prioritize, okay, I need to do that, so what would be my priority? Where do I start? That opens us up to all the possibilities that we're going to be missing if we're focused on what happens if we don't, or just the I gotta.
You know, and you touched on something just in passing, the paralysis. This is something we always talk about, fight and flight being the responses of fear. Paralysis is something I also see when you haven't prioritized and you haven't been able to think through how you're going to do things and plan ahead and just open yourself to all the possibilities that you have in the moment. The other response is you just freeze. And I've seen this happen in critical situations where it's life or death for people, where people just go.
I guess you could say that's a version of flight. You're just fleeing any options, like fleeing your mind,
Sure.
And your body's just frozen there. But yeah, I think that is kind of the third: fight, flight, or freeze.
Yeah. The 3 F's of fear.
Yeah.
Well, I like that, the 3 F's of fear.
So the trick to jumping this track, again, is to recognize that prioritization will help us accomplish in the most efficient manner what we're trying to do. And urgency comes from having to do something. Okay, we know we have to do it. Recognize, no, I need to do this. I can't talk to you right now, I gotta do this. Instead of like, don't talk to me, I'm freaking out. It's that simple change.
And I have a sense the priority right now is to make this a mad love story.
Okay, well, we thank you for joining us. Comment below, join the conversation. We would love to hear from you. We are here to support you, so take us up on that, and we'll see.
Come to souldocumentary.love and love us. We will love you back. And most importantly, we've got a documentary coming out on 11/11 about Jock friggin' Fresco of the Venus Project, A World Worth Imagining. Jock Fresco, the man with the plan, 11/11.
We'll see you next Monday. And in the meantime, we got 5 other shows we're showing on our show channels. So go to Vimeo, go to YouTube, Soul Documentary. In the meantime, write this mad love story with us, will ya? 2, 3, 4. Let's ride a mad